Are you struggling to find the perfect drone to capture breathtaking aerial shots? Here are the 5 best options I've found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, the DJI Mini 4K. Priced at $299, what caught my eye was its compact size and impressive features, especially for beginners. If you want an easy-to-use drone that delivers stunning 4K footage, this is worth a serious look. This drone boasts a 4K UHD camera that allows you to capture incredible detail, making it a great choice for photographers. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization means your shots will be smooth, even in windy conditions. And with a 10-kilometer video transmission range, you can explore and capture amazing landscapes from a distance. Plus, it's lightweight at under 249 grams, which means no FAA registration hassle. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its intelligent flight modes and beginner-friendly features like one-tap takeoff and auto-return, you'll spend less time worrying about flying and more time focusing on creativity. However, some users mentioned that they struggled with the DJI Fly app, which has been removed from Google Play. Here's the thing though, once you get the app set up from their website, the flying experience is absolutely worth it, especially for those who want to step into aerial photography without a steep learning curve. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or looking for a lightweight option to take on trips. Skip this one if you need more advanced features or longer flight times. For the price, you get a solid entry-level drone that doesn't skimp on quality. Now, if the Mini 4K's app issues worried you, this next one takes a completely different approach with even more features at a slight price increase. Product number 2, DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 retailing at $419. Right off the bat, I was impressed with its true vertical shooting feature, which really sets it apart for content creators. If you want to capture unique shots of tall structures or landscapes, this drone is a great fit. The 4K HDR video capability means you'll get stunning imagery, even in tricky lighting situations. With a maximum flight time of 38 minutes, it allows for extended shooting sessions without constant battery swaps. Plus, the 10-kilometer video transmission gives you a tremendous range to explore without losing connection. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Mini 3 is built for stability with a 3-axis gimbal and is wind-resistant up to level 5, making it reliable for those windy days when you still want to shoot. Some users have noted its price point may be a bit high for beginners, but here's the thing. If you're serious about aerial photography and want top-notch features, the Mini 3 could save you money in the long run by avoiding the need to upgrade later. This is perfect for you if you're an aspiring content creator who wants high-quality imagery with ease. Skip this one if you're just looking for a simple drone for casual fun. It's a solid investment for those serious about their photography. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for advanced users looking for cutting-edge technology. Product number 3, the Wet Petco Mini Drone. At just $36.99, the Wet Petco Mini Drone is a budget-friendly choice that caught my attention. While it's not 4K, the 1080p HD camera is surprisingly capable for casual photographers. If you're looking for an entry-level drone to get started without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. Equipped with a 1080p camera, you can still capture decent aerial shots and videos. It's designed for easy operation with features like one-key takeoff and a stable hover, making it perfect for beginners and even kids. Plus, the FPV, or first-person view, function allows you to see what the drone sees in real time, enhancing your flying experience. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's lightweight at 110 grams, so you won't have to worry about FAA registration, and it's portable, ideal for spontaneous outings. However, some users pointed out that the camera quality may not meet the needs of serious photographers. Here's the thing, if you're just starting, this drone gives you a taste of flying and shooting without a hefty investment. This is perfect for you if you want a fun, easy-to-fly drone for casual use.
Skip this one if you're serious about photo quality and need higher resolution. For the price, it's a fantastic way to dip your toes into drone photography. Now, if you're looking for something with more advanced features and better imagery, let's check out the Potensic Atom 2.
Product number 4, the Potensic Atom 2, priced at $519.99. What really grabbed my attention was its impressive 8K photo capability and AI tracking features. If you want a top-notch drone that combines smart technology with high-quality output, this is a serious contender. This drone offers 4K HDR video and 8K photo capabilities, ensuring you capture stunning visuals for any project. The built-in AI tracking allows it to follow you intelligently, making those action shots easier than ever. With a maximum flight time of 96 minutes thanks to the multi-battery setup, you can shoot for a long time without interruption. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 10-kilometer transmission range means you can capture shots from a distance, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. Now, some users mentioned the learning curve might be a bit steep for beginners. But here's the thing, once you get past that, the advanced features will take your photography to the next level, making it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're a seasoned photographer looking for a feature-rich drone. Skip this one if you're just getting started with no intention of learning the ropes. It's a premium choice that delivers on quality. Alright, with all these impressive features, you might be wondering if there's a more affordable option that still packs a punch. Let's look at the Pledgeable PL515. Product number 5, Pledgeable PL515. We have the Pledgeable PL515 at an affordable price of $59.99. I was genuinely surprised by the quality of its 4K camera for such a low price. If you're looking for a fun drone that doesn't skimp on features, this one deserves your attention. The Pledgeable PL515 comes with image stabilization and a 4K camera, delivering excellent visuals for casual photography. Its brushless motor ensures stable flight and longer lifespan, which is crucial for quality shots. Plus, with the dual battery setup, you can enjoy up to 32 minutes of flight time. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's compact and portable, making it easy to take anywhere, all while being under the weight limit for registration. However, some users found it a bit basic compared to higher-end models. Here's the thing, for the price, you're getting great value, and it's an ideal choice for those just starting out or wanting something lightweight. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable entry point into drone photography. Skip this one if you need more advanced features or longer flight times. For an entry-level drone, the value you get is impressive. We've looked at the DJI Mini 4K, DJI Mini 3, Wepitco Mini Drone, Potensic Atom 2, and the Pledgeable PL515. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Potensic Atom 2 because of its fantastic features and high-quality output that serious photographers will appreciate. Avoid the Wepitco Mini Drone if you're particularly focused on photo quality. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.